This is the Intellibeam unboxing for the Ubiquiti Network's CloudKey Gen2 Rack Mount Accessory, model CKG2-RM. So it can be used with either the larger CloudKey or the smaller one. It's going to be the Gen2 ones. So let's crack it open and see what we got. This particular model was tested 12/18/2018, so I didn't get in on the first batch of beta testers, but this is the second batch around. I'm not a beta tester, I'm just subscribed to the beta, but technically we're using it, so I guess we are beta testing, but we're not getting paid for it, so that's that. So let's get this out of the way. Open it up and see what we got. So inside we have the rack and then your cage nuts and the M6 screws. They give you a bunch of those. And then that is it. I'll give you a nice what each port is on here, but I'll go over that now. So here's the device itself. I'll peel this nice plastic wrap off the front. So first thing to note before I get into this is that this is still squared off, even though everybody complained that all the other Ubiquiti equipment has rounded edges and this one's square. So just keep that in mind if you care about aesthetics. Let's put that back. So here you have in the front the reset button, the port that you can use to connect the device to your switch. You can't use the back port and this port at the same time, so you got to pick one. So we'll be using the front one anyway. Here's the screen hole that will show all the different settings that are on here. This lights up blue, and then you have the back where you can plug in the module that you have, and then you can slide this over if you have the smaller CloudKey Gen2. So let's go ahead and pop this in. You're going to take the CloudKey sticker off the bottom of here that blocks the port. So this one can communicate with the accessory itself. So we'll put that over there. And to note, it gets flipped upside down. And it snaps right in like that. And it's in there. So just make sure you're updated to the latest firmware on your CloudKey controller before you add the port, because sometimes it'll cause funky LED issues in the front, and then you might have to plug this in, plug it back in, a bunch of things like that. So update your CloudKey before you use the Rack Mount Accessory, and that'll do it. So once again, that was Ubiquiti Network's CloudKey Gen2 Rack Mount Accessory unboxing by Intellibeam. Technology of tomorrow, today.